Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Today the topic of my recipe is classic vanilla cake. So the ingredients of the classic vanilla cake is 2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar and 2 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Half cup unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 cup whole milk at room temperature. The instructions of this recipe. Let's start. Preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 350 and 180 Celsius grease to 9 inch and 23 centimeter round cake pan and line the bottom with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder and salt and salt. In a large bowl, using an electric mixture, beat the butter until creamy and add egg one at a time, beating well after each additions. Beat in vanilla essence. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with milk beans and ending with dry ingredients. Beat just until combined, dividing the butter evenly between the prepared pan and smooth tops. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cake are completely cool, you can frost and decorate them as desired. Note, I repeat, note, this recipe make 2 9-inch 23 centimeter cakes. You can adjust the recipe to make different size or flavor of cakes. Some common variation includes like chocolate cake, add a half cup of cocoa powder to the dry ingredients. Red velvet cake, add half tablespoon of red food coloring and half cup of cocoa powder to the dry ingredients. Carrot cake, add half cup of grated carrots, half cup of chopped walnut and half teaspoon of cinnamon to the batter. I hope this help. Let me know if you have any questions or if you had like any variation on this recipe. Thank you so much.